Hello and welcome to your kitty aptitude test. Are you smarter than a dog?
Is that really a question?
Yeah, of course we are.
Question 1. In which year did World War One begin?
19. What?
1914.
Oh, not fair, I stuttered.
Question 2. Which flower is worn on Remembrance Day in Britain?
The poppy, it's the poppy.
Answer: the daffodil. Question 3. Which famous explorer discovered Cuba?
Yes, I know this. It was Colombo.
Yeah, Colombo.
Answer: Christopher Columbus.
But they used to call him Colombo.
Honestly, actually his cat Tiddles really discovered it first.
Question 4. How many wives did Henry VIII have?
Well, obviously, the clue is in the title. So, 8.
Yeah, 8.
Answer: he had 6 wives.
What is this shit?
Question 5. Who was the president of the US before Barack Obama?
Bush. It was Bush.
Yeah, Kate Bush. Well, I feel like she should have been the president.
Answer: W. George Bush. Question 6. Who invented the telephone?
Send reinforcements, we're going to dance. Advance.
Mr. Nokia.
Fuck, I don't know.
Alexander Graham Bell.
That's why they say, I'll give you a bell.
Also accept Antonio Malucci.
What? Me coochie smells.
Question number 7. In Rome, how much is it to enter the Colosseum?
Nothing. Note. Cats don't
Yeah,
pay.
only humans
Nothing.
pay.
It was free. Final question. Who is the only British monarch to be crowned on the field of battle?
Boudica.
Yeah, Queen Boadicea.
Answer: Henry VII.
Bullshit.